meet different people, see what's going on around Wales and the UK really, and meet people, talk about what I do, get my work out there and our work out there. And yeah, just make some contacts, make some new friends maybe too.
Wel, mae'n cyfle ffantastig I dod â pawb at ei gilydd gyda pob fath o help a chymorth sy'n gael o gyfreithwyr, o pobl fel ni yn cynnig cymorth ar y Gymraeg, I pobl sydd yn helpu o safbwynt ysgolion meithrin, pob fath o fenna sy'n gallu dod at ei gilydd a pawb yn rhannu syniadau, sy'n wych yn gwir.
gofod3 brings elements of the third sector together. It gives an opportunity to talk about what we're doing and what other people are doing, and kind of educates us on what's out there, and gives us a chance to, I suppose, showcase our work and to learn and to grow in that, but also to showcase other people's works and how that can help our organisations.
It allows us to meet fellow organisations that want the same cause. So it's a good networking opportunity. It allows us to spread our reach and our knowledge also.
Mae'n hyfryd jyst gweld pobl yn rhwydweithio, cyfathrebu gyda'i gilydd, clywed y Gymraeg hefyd yn cael ei siarad gan bawb. Mae 'na deimlad o ddwyieithrwydd yma sy'n braf I weld.